once again to SAP solution channel. Today topic is to in the table level how we can able to get the transaction code along with the program that will be associated with. Still if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and get the more videos shortly on the SAP related tips and tricks. First of all, we will go with the table level on the AC16. The table is TSTC. In the TSTC, we will find out how much like a transaction code that are associated with. If you click on number of entry, you can see 1,73,945. So if you execute the table, we will get the details. You can see these are the transaction codes and these are the programs and this is the screenings. So if you want to make it like if you want to find out the in the description basis on the how many T codes that are associated with, then we will go with the TSTCT table. Here in the text column you can put it as a star. I will put as a vendor. Then I will get the list of T codes that are associated with the vendor related things. If I click on execute, you can see these are the transaction codes that are associated with the vendor related informations. So we can see nearly 561 transaction code that has been identified. In this way we can able to get the details. If you can't able to get the proper T codes, then in the table level as well we will get the details. Thank you so much. If you want more videos like on the SAP related tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.